Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video was requested by a viewer. I'm going to tell you what the controls are for on the steering wheel for the 2025 and 2026 Buick Enclaves. These are your shifter paddles for gearing up and gearing down. Do your 8-speed automatic transmission on the rear underneath those. These controls right here are for the volume. So if you've ever wondered about that, that's what it is. Over here, this is for what you're listening to. So whether it's the radio stations or maybe something you're listening to on YouTube or whatever you use to listen to music, you can do that through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over here on the left-hand side, everything for adaptive cruise control. You can set and reset right here. And you'll notice right here, that is the icon for voice controls. Now, that is not actually the button. The button is located right here. So I'm going to push that like that, and you'll see that the voice commands come up. I'm going to turn that off because it picked up what I was saying. But that is what that is for as far as that feature goes. Also, I'm going to push right here, and you will adjust the gap adjust for your adaptive cruise control with that button. And the button right here is for going into what is called low mode. Now, you will have to be in drive for that to work. You can see the indicator that comes up on the dash right there. So we're going to shift into drive, and that will put us in low mode, depending on whether or not you want that. Now, what that is it means that the transmission stays in low gear, but you still have all of the power and torque available from the engine for those low traction situations. And obviously, that's the horn button. It is part of what's on the steering wheel, so I figured I might as well say something about that. Here is your heated steering wheel button right there. This is for what you're listening to, obviously, depending on what you need to do there. We also have this button that controls what we see on the driver's display. So there are a couple of different options where that is concerned. Depending on what you want to see, you can see what all is there. Now, we can answer and hang up on phone calls right here. We can also use the controls right here to work our way back and forth through everything that we need to see as far as that goes. And when it comes to making the phone calls, let's just say you just wanted to select something to call, someone to call, we push that button right there. It's not the check mark itself, it's the button right here. That's going to tell you what's going on there, just to give you an idea of everything that is here. So that should help you out. Quick video. I hope that answers your questions. If you want to see any other tutorials, whether it's on the Buick Enclave or something else, tell me down in the comments section, and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.